Welcome. I want to give you a small introduction about family constellations. So family constellations is a method, a therapeutic method, where what we're doing is that we're healing what we have in our lives that actually does not belong to us, but belongs to our ancestors. We are repeating their patterns. We take on their emotions. We imitate them without even realizing that we're doing it. All this is unconscious. And then we block ourselves in our lives because we are following the same path that they followed. So we failed the same way that they did. We don't allow ourselves to enjoy of a good relationship, of health, of success, because they didn't. And we don't know that we are doing this, but we feel trapped. When we do a family constellation, what we're doing is that we were letting go of these decisions that we made of the past, of following and doing the same things as our ancestors. We are letting go of these energetic bonds that we have with them that keeps us trapped in a similar situation that they had in the past. We are connecting to their blessing so that we're able to then connect to life and with gratitude and love, connect to everything that life can give to us, to abundance, to health, to success, to love. So this is why it's such a powerful tool, because with this, we're able to heal aspects that we don't even know that we have, because these entanglements, we call these energetic bonds, we're not aware of them, they're unconscious. So we don't know that we're doing this out of honor for our ancestors. And once we're able to realize this, we're able to let go and we're able to start creating the life that we actually want. This is what I wanted to tell you today. And if you want more information, just let me know. Have a nice day. Bye.